Hello guys, today I've got NOMAD Stratos Band and I'm going to show you how to fix squeaking or cracking. Take a microfiber cloth into your hands, oh not this one, this one, dip it in alcohol, isopropyl alcohol, 90%, and spray it your, of course, top of the band right here with isopropyl alcohol, but just a little. Then wipe the top of this like this. Of course, I didn't dip this in the alcohol, but this is the visualization here. What about the bottom part and this place is right here? You need to clean this also, but with the cotton swabs right here, everywhere. We need to do something like this and clean it right here, 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 and everywhere. The second part also right here. This should help you. If it didn't help you, you need to contact device support because you may have some badly manufactured, part. That's it. Bye.